Chips are in everything, and they've been in short supply since just a few months into the pandemic last year. That's why it's been hard to buy everything from cars to PS5s. Turns out one company makes 24% of all the world's chips and more than 90% of the most advanced ones, the smallest, fastest chips used in today's iPhones, supercomputers, and automotive AI.
Heck, we even have product that's landed on the last Mars launch that are taking pictures of Mars.
Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is not a household name, but it's quietly making chips for every new iPhone, US fighter jets, the highest end processors, you name it. And now it's investing $100 billion over 3 years to ramp up production amid the shortage.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about Taiwan Semiconductor, the world's largest and most advanced foundry company in the world. I'm going to talk about its competitive advantages, modes, and then its financials. Later I'm going to talk about how to buy its stock. If you're new to this channel, you can turn on the notification on the bottom right side of the YouTube page so you will know when the new content comes out. Please also hit the subscribe button to help me to grow my channel. The content of this video and this channel are for entertainment only and are not construed as investment advice. We're not liable for investment loss of your investment decisions after you have watched this video. Taiwan Semiconductor pioneered the dedicated semiconductor foundry business model, enabled fabulous IC design industry to flourish and unleashed innovations with all logic IC designers. Its largest customers are Apple, Advanced Micro, NVIDIA, etc. About 85% of worldwide semiconductor startup product prototypes were enabled by TSMC. Taiwan Semi enjoys a total foundry market share of 57% by unleashing customers' innovations and nurturing customers' success, which formed the foundation the company's future success. Taiwan Semi is the only foundry that consistently delivers excellent financial results. It delivered 17.2% revenue CAGR and 16.7% earnings CAGR since listing in 1994. Before the market opened today, Taiwan Semiconductor reported the Q4 2021 earnings. For Q4 2021, it reported revenue of $15.74 billion versus guidance of $15.55 billion. Year-over-year Q4 growth was 24.1%. The operating margin of 41.7% is very high. Return on equity was 31.3%. Normally, ROI about 20% is excellent business. About 50% of Taiwan Semi's revenue are from 5nm and 7nm foundries. Those are the most advanced foundries, and the Taiwan Semi is the absolute leader. Its only competitor in the 5nm and the 7nm is Samsung. Taiwan Semi's 2021 net revenue was $56.82 billion, with year-to-year gain of 24.9%. The diluted earning per share growth year-to-year was 15.2%. Today, Taiwan Semi stock closed up $6.96 at $139.19, with expected earnings of $5.03 for the year 2022. Taiwan Semi's PE for 2022 is 28. The PAC ratio is around 2. So based on the PAC ratio, Taiwan Semi is not cheap based on the PAC ratio. As you can see from the chart, Taiwan Semi closed at an all-time high despite the huge sell-off in the stock market today. Normally, the best time to buy the stock after earnings is when the stock retraces from all-time high and consolidate for a while. Ideally, if you have the stock, you can hold on to it. I would like to buy Taiwan Semi at around 120 or below. There are a few risks with Taiwan Semi. The first is the political risk. There's no guarantee that the Chinese government will not invade Taiwan. The second is the economic slowdown or peak multiple contraction in growth stocks. Many growth stocks have been cut in half already, so the risk that Taiwan Semi might also encounter that PE contraction. If Taiwan Semi's PE contract from the general market sentiment, it will provide excellent opportunity to accumulate TSM shares. The third risk is that some other companies might catch up with Taiwan Semi in the most advanced foundry. So far, Taiwan Semi has enjoyed a near monopoly or duopoly in 5nm and the 7nm foundry. The risk is still very small right now. Taiwan Semi has locked in the biggest leading semiconductor companies such as Apple, AMD, Nvidia, and Marvell Technology. The best stock to buy are those who have enjoyed monopoly or duopoly and have great operating margins and in growth industries. Overall, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company is a great company with huge moat and a strong growth outlook and fits the best stock criteria. It deserves to be part of anyone's portfolio. If you like my video, please leave a like on the video. It will help the YouTube algorithm to push the video to reach more people. If you want me to cover something you are interested in, please leave a comment. You are also free to upload a video to anywhere you want if you feel it might be helpful to the others. Your support is appreciated. Thanks.